So I'm placing it on a hoop stand. This is called binding. If your hoop doesn't hold the fabric properly, you can bind the inner hoop, and the hoops will be fit more tightly. So I'll place fabric here because I need hoop to be stable while I'm showing you the stitches. That's why I use the hoop stand. I don't use it for any other purposes than just for filming. I'm ready to show you the stitches. So we have 6 strands, but for the backstitch we'll need only 2 of them. So taking the number 5 needle, and now we need to thread it. Place the end of the thread between your fingers and press, and when I say we need 2 strands to stitch, I mean 2 strands. So leave one of the ends loose, and on the other end we will make a knot. Now we're going to make backstitch. This is one of my favorite stitches because you can do almost anything with this stitch. So pick up, then I'm moving through the line so I can like back. The main thing is that you need to pull through the end, so don't leave your thread like this right until the knot. Why the stitch is called backstitch? Because we're making a stitch, we're coming up, and then we're going back to the previous stitch. That's why it's called backstitch. And we continue right in the same hole. don't pull too much, because you will see the fabric puckering and you will have holes between these stitches. Don't pull too hard. You need to create the same tension that your fabric has. Oh, that's great. So, for example, you have a knot. What to do? You just like go through the loop and pull it up. Okay, and there is no knots. So we need to make backstitch for almost all of these lines, except for the water, we don't touch it, and these two trees. So how you can embroider near the edge? What I usually do? I usually take out some fabric and then I stitch. So I'm making tension with my finger and I'm making stitch. I'm making tension so I could repeat it with my thread. Then I place it back. So we are running out of thread. We go on the back side. Now we need to secure the thread. Not going through the fabric, just under the thread. And it can be a few stitches. And that's it.